In this video, I will show you how to get more dice in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So there's actually a few different ways you can get more dice in Monopoly Go. So I'm just going to talk through those methods with you, and the first thing I want to talk to you about is basically logging in and the daily treats option. So every time you actually log into Monopoly Go, especially every day, what happens is you get daily treats. As you can see, for day 1 we got 20 dice. So when you log in, all you want to do is come to your daily treats and press the collect button. As you can see, for today it's 20 dice. And you can see if we do this consistently, so you can see, for example, day 2 is only cash, 468,000, but if we keep doing this consistently and logging in every day, on day 3 we're going to get 25 dice rolls, day 4 is going to be 25 dice rolls and some cash, and so on and so forth. So the second way to actually get dice is through the quick wins feature. So if you look at this option in the bottom left hand corner, you've got this little clipboard here with a picture of some dice. What I'm going to do is press onto this. You can see there's, if I roll 5 times, we're going to get a prize. So what I'm going to do is just roll the dice now 5 times, just to go ahead and claim this quick win. So I've gone ahead and rolled the dice 5 times, so I'm going to come back to my quick wins feature, and you can see that's now available. So if I tap to claim this, and you can see at the moment this is giving me some cash. However, sometimes this does give you additional dice as well. So you want to go through and do these quick wins to claim more dice. So the next method to get more dice in Monopoly Go is to actually come to the store. So if you come to the menu in the top right hand corner, click onto the horizontal 3 lines to open up the menu. What you want to do is come into the shop, and sometimes you're going to see an option for a daily box, which will normally be at the top. So you can see it's here, you can see it says free. So this is available every day, or you can see every 8 hours. So in today's box, I've managed to get 26 dice and some stickers. And you can see our next one is ready in about 8 hours time. So you want to try that as well to get more dice. Another way that you can actually get more dice is to complete the available tournaments. So the tournament button is over here on the right hand side, this little picture of like a trophy. So if you press onto this, you can see the current tournament. So we need to get 5 of these to open these up, and of course if you come a certain place in the tournament you can claim prizes, of course some of those being free dice. So another way to get dice is by completing the main event. So you can see at the moment it's this one in the middle, Epic Myths. So we're going to press onto this, and you can see if we complete this milestone that is a reward of actually 6,500 dice at the moment, and you're getting a pack of stickers. So of course what you want to do is get your points, and that's going to lead to completing this quest, which is going to enable you to get even more dice. And the very final method I want to talk with you about to get more free dice is to complete your albums. So if you come down to your albums button, which is down here, press onto this, and by completing all these different albums you can actually claim more dice. So for example, you can see at the top it says complete album to win, then you got 15,000 dice, 231 million in cash, and each individual album, so for example this Robin Hood one, if we complete this set we're going to get 185 dice. Or you've got this one, the Trojan Horse album, which is 225 dice. So of course for completing these different albums you can of course obtain more dice that way too. So that's some different methods on how you can get more dice in Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial did help you out today. If it did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.